Hey guys, here's a follow-up video of the bathroom a year later to show you what condition it's in, and a quick follow-up to show you the Nextile finish I did here. So as you remember, I got a lot of questions on the last video of the tab here, what I do with it, as it was sticking out about an inch. Yes, the direction said 30 inch. Well, this is exactly 30 inches from stud to the edge. And as you see, we have this tab here that normally gets covered with sheetrock. Well, this is gonna be custom for me. I'm gonna cut. Basically, here's what we did. Before I put the sheetrock on, I cut off the lip completely, just left a little edge, and I used some finishing nails, drilled little holes in it, and used some finishing nails to just nail it to the 2x4 behind there. Then once I put the sheetrock on, I painted it and I siliconed it. And as you see, it's a flush finish. You know, I'm happy with the result. And that was about it. And when you have more wall space, you don't have to worry about that. You just screw that tab into the ground. But the rest of the bathroom is awesome. Best feature I installed was the heated floor. It's working like a charm. Nice and toasty right now. Tiles, everything looks good. Paint's holding up nice with the finished crazy messy look. And another tip is use paintable silicone. Under this is silicone that wasn't paintable, so I had to get fresh silicone to cover it with, as it was turning color. So definitely spend the money on a good silicone. The bathtub, same thing. To show you the surround, actually I don't clean it that often, which probably should, but everything comes off so easy because it's not actual grout, it's not actual tiles. Different story here. This needs a deeper cleaning. So the surround sound is holding up great so far. It's been a year. Very happy with it. No leaks, no mold. Another thing I want to show you guys, the black molding we did. I found black silicone, which I just put on recently, which clogged up all the little cracks and holes, so that worked out nice. And that's about it. Any other questions, let me know. Just wanted to show you how the Nextile surround sound was looking and how I finished it. Thanks for watching.